They don't expose Bola Ahmed Tinubu. One of the INEC top consultants don't explain to Nigerians how Bola Ahmed Tinubu take offer INEC $170 million for INEC to rig this election. I go just play you the record to leave too much talk. I won't play the record now, but help me dey hit on the share button. Make this kind of information they go round.
That's $299 billion. You will share it around. Everybody will do the bidding. Asiwaju does not want to spend on gadget. I am number one contractor in Nigeria. Last 2017 and 2019 is $7.8 billion. The contract they gave me. Asking who I am, it's not telling. They call me MPLF of INEC. That's what I do.